This image is the most detailed image of Jupiter ever captured. In it, storms that have been raging on Jupiter's surface for more than 200 years have been captured in incredible detail. And do you know something even more mind-blowing? These storms, despite being millions of kilometers away from Earth, can still have a massive impact on our planet. But do you know what's even creepier? Jupiter's sound. It's so creepy that it has literally been used as background music in horror movies. In fact, when this sound started becoming popular, people began calling Jupiter the Hell Planet. And honestly, after hearing this sound, you might start calling Jupiter the Hell Planet too. So, are you ready to hear it? 3, 2, 1.